Hello you guys, and welcome to week 6 of distance learning. So I'm going to quickly go over what you guys are going to be doing this week and what will be expected of you. So you're going to be creating a graphic design portfolio. So it says right here to create an online portfolio on Google Sites where your work that you've created will be posted, as well as some work that you did in Yearbook. You're going to watch the screencast, which is this, for guidance, and you're going to check out the link to the sample. So the projects that you need to include are your week 1 Home Sweet Home, your week 2 logo, your week 3 Goodbye Senior layout, week 4 movie poster, week 5 album cover, and at least one page from the yearbook that you guys contributed to. And you can email Miss D for the page that you want. So the requirements we're going to go through together while looking at the sample. So let's go to the sample. So if you click here, you will see the sample. So it says to have your name, your grade, the school, and then of course the semester that you guys are currently in. So you're in publication spring 2020. All right, so you're going to start with your graphic design work. So you need to have all of your graphic design work in here. Okay, so I can quickly show you guys how to do that. So the way you do that, let's just switch over here to edit mode. Okay, so now that we're in edit mode, if we go down, let's say I wanted to add a picture. So if I wanted to add a picture, let's say this picture was in here, and I needed to add some of my work, and I was not one of the ones that saved my work, because I didn't realize that we were going to be using that later on. Okay, so I would go over to our presentation slides. Okay, so you're going to pull up the slides, and the way you do that, guys, is you just go into the actual weeks that we had them, and you'd click on the album cover art design slides, and you'd pull that up, and then you would find your slide. So this is my slide, and then you can either choose to screenshot it to make a JPEG, or you can go over here where it says File, go down to Download, and then click on JPEG Image Current Slide. So if you're on the slide, it'll create the JPEG image for your slide. Okay, you just click that and it makes that for you. And once you have created that, then you can go back into your site. Let's say I'm adding that. So then I would drag that in and then adjust it. So it's a pretty nice system because it's so user-friendly, but you just kind of play with it until it's to how you like it, and then it's in. This is the only annoying part. Okay, I'll take that off later. Anyway, so that's how you add it in. The other requirement that it says, you guys, it says to have at least 3 comments from classmates on your work, okay? So that's not just one work with 3 comments. That is why you guys were getting feedback this whole time. So I put in the comments that some of you guys put on my work, okay? And I have here the 3. I chose my 3 works, and I put down 3 comments that people had said about my work. All right, I actually put a comment in on everybody's, on all of my works, because I really liked what some of you guys said about my work, and I really appreciate it. So that's what I did. The next requirement is it says that you guys have to have, it says that you must include at least one text sharing which piece or pieces you're most proud of and why. So if you go over to my thing and you scroll down, this is where I say that. I say it right here. This is the work that I'm most proud of, and I go into why I think why I'm the most proud of it. Okay, I want to say I wrote 3 sentences. It's not super intensive. It's a quick little blurb about why I'm proud of it. All right, and that's all you're doing for the work portion. As far as your graphic design work, that is what you're doing. You're putting in your images. You're putting in some comments from your classmates, and then you're putting in which work you're the most proud of. Now, if you go down farther, I now talk about my yearbook contribution. Now, this page was from 2019, if you know your yearbooks pretty well. But this is what I did. So I put in my page, and the way you guys are going to do it, like I said, is you're going to email Miss D to get access to a page. She will send you the page that you want, okay? So make sure that you contact her with the page you want. So don't say, Miss D, I want that page, that one page I worked on, okay? That doesn't give us anything. Say, Miss D, can I get the Cougar Crew page? Or Miss D, can I get pages blah, blah, blah to blah, blah, blah. Like pages 15 to 16. Those are the pages I worked on, okay? You still have access to HJ eDesign. The only thing you don't have access to is the actual pages, like this, what you can see. So make sure that you guys get that information and contact her with it, okay? And that's how you're going to get this one portion. So you all have to contact Miss Dickinson in order to get this portion, and this is a requirement of this presentation, okay? Then I talked about what I did on this page. So I said, on this page, I took the pictures, collected interviews, and wrote the copy with the assistance of Miss Dickinson. So I then said what I did, how I contributed to this page, and I even gave a little credit to the person that helped me out. So if another person worked on your page with you, make sure you give a credit and a shout out to them as well. Okay, so the last requirement for your portfolios is to then make a little area about ideas for the 2021 yearbook. So it says that you guys are required to have at least 3 ideas. So I'm going to show you some of my ideas. I have an idea for the cover. I have an idea for theme. I have an idea for a page, which is 13 hobbies that reduce anxiety. And then I have an idea for a sidebar. I put, how are you staying connected with your friends and family? So the way I did this, you guys, is I went on to Pinterest and I just like typed in magazine ideas, poster covers, poster whatever. Like I just kind of kept searching until I found one that really spoke to me, and that's what I found here. And then I took some of the similar attributes of this cover and I looked for some images that I felt like worked really, really well with that. And the triangles kind of give it that little bit of a digital vibe, and I liked the way that that tied in together. The way I found this article and the way how I can use it for a page idea. So instead of just making it 13 hobbies, that were like, instead of doing that, I thought like new hobbies that people are taking up. That was my page idea. So we could have a whole collage of pictures of new hobbies and people doing things or selling things on Etsy or whatever it might be. That was my idea. And so I found an article that I felt like kind of captured that essence of that page idea. And then lastly, this sidebar, I thought of the question and then I just kind of found a picture that I thought kind of went nicely with it that we could probably emulate in our own book. Okay, so that's what I did. I'd like to see something similar from you guys. So find pictures, find ideas. Don't just put in a bullet point, but if you can't find the picture, I'm not going to mark you down for putting in just a bullet point, but try to find the thing that captures what you're thinking, okay? Because we're not inside of your brains and you're not here to sit here and explain it to us, okay? So that's it. Those are the requirements. Once you're done, push publish, and then you're going to go back here, and in the comments for the assignment, in the comments, usually there'd be a comment button area here, you're going to put in your link for the comment, for the website. Okay, so you're just going to copy and paste your link into the comments section here, and that's how I'll be able to access it and grade it. Okay, so if you don't do that portion or that step, you are not going to get the credit. All right? So make sure that you guys put your link there. That's it. And if you guys have any questions, any concerns, whatever it may be, please message me or Miss Dickinson, and we will see you guys on Wednesday at 2 o'clock for our meeting. Okay, bye.